Hello students, welcome back to maths class. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 4, playing with numbers. In the last video we studied HCF and word problems of HCF. Today we are going to learn LCM. So what is LCM? The full form of LCM is least common multiple, or you can say lowest common multiple. Here what you are going to do, you are going to find the multiples, and out of the multiples which is the smallest multiple, that will be your LCM. So LCM can be found by two methods, prime factorization method and long division method. Prime factorization method, in this method you are going to find the prime factors. For HCF, how you are finding the prime factors, or even we have understood prime factorization method. In prime factorization we used to find the factors which are prime. So first we are going to find the prime factors, and then what we are going to do, that I will explain you with this example. Let us take one example. We have to find the LCM of 20 and 30. So this is the example. We are starting with the easiest example. Now the LCM of 20 and 30 we are supposed to find here. So first what you are going to do, you will find the prime factors of 20. So how you find the prime factors? Like this you are going to find. So 2 tens are, 2 fives are, and 5 ones are. So these are your prime factors of 20. Similarly you will find the prime factors of 30. 2 15s are, 3 5s are, and 5 ones are. So which all factors you got? You got factors like this. For 20 you got 2 into 2 into 5. For 30 you got 2 into 3 into 5. Now LCM, how you are going to find? Here is the formula to find LCM with prime factorization method. The product of common factors multiply the product of not common factors. So first of all, which are the common factors in this? Common factors are 2 and 5. So the product of common factors is 2 into 5. Multiply product of non-common factors. Which are non-common factors here? 2 and 3. So 2 multiply 3. So if you will multiply this, you will get 10 into 6. So your answer is 60. So your LCM is 60. Clear? I am repeating it. See, here you have to take care that when you are finding the product of common factors, means you are going to take it one time only here. 2 and 5 are common, so you will take it one time. 2 and 3 are uncommon, so that you are going to take. So this way you will find the LCM with prime factorization method. Another method is long division method. So long division method, same sum we are going to do 20 and 30. Now here long division method, you are going to take both the numbers together. And how you are finding the prime factors, same way you will do. So let us start with 2. 2 tens are and 2 15s are. Both numbers we will divide it with 2. So 2 tens are 20, 2 15s are 30. Again you will go with 2. So 2 5s are 10. Now 15 we know it is not coming in 2's table. So we will keep 15 as it is. We will take it as it is. Now 5 and 15 is there. We will take number 3. So in 5's table 3 will not come. Then 15, if you will divide with 3 you will get 5. So 3 5s are 15. Now here 5 you got, 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. So both become 1. So now if you will multiply these numbers, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, you can make pairs of 2 numbers. So 2 2s are 4 and 3 5s are 15. So 4 15s are 60. So here you got 60 as your LCM. So you can see here also that with this method also you got 60 and with this method also you got 60. Now you are going to solve exercise 4.3. Question 1 is given. You have to find the LCM with prime factorization method. Few sums are given in your book. Around 12 sums are given. We are going to solve 3 sums and other sums you have to try by yourself. First one is 21 and 14. So first you will find the factors of 21. This can be done orally also. 3 into 7. Both are prime numbers. And 14 is 2 into 7. This also prime numbers. So directly you can do. Now LCM is equal to product of common multiples. Which are the common multiple here? 7. So 7 multiply by product of non-common multiples, that is 2 and 3. So multiply 2 into 3. So 14 into 3, 42. So your LCM is 42. Next sum is question number 6. I have chosen few hard sums so that you can understand easily. 119 and 136. Now 119, you must be thinking that what will be the factors of 119. 119 will come in 17's table. Okay, so it will be 7 into 17. 136, we need to find factors by prime factorization method. So 2 6 are 12 and 2 8s are 16. 2 into 34, 2 into 17 and 17 ones are 17. So which factors we got? 2 into 2 into 2 into 17. Now LCM is equal to common factors. Common factor is 17 multiply by non-common factor. Which are non-common factor? 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Now multiply this all numbers to get the answer. So we will make the pairs of the smaller numbers. This will give you 8. So 17 into 8 into 7. So 17 8s are what you will get. 8 7s are 42 and 8 1s are 8 plus 4 12. So 122. Sorry. So 17 8s are it's 136 and 136 into 7 you will get 952. So your LCM is 952. Now question number 10. LCM of 840 and 1176. So we will find the factors with prime factorization method. We will start with 2. 2 420s are 2 into 210. Now here 21 into 10 we know 210 means 21 into 10. So directly you can take 3 also and 3 into 70, then 7 into 10. Now the factors of 10 is 2 5s are and 5 1s are. It is not necessary that here you will be taking the numbers in ascending order. Whatever is easy for you to find, that way you can take the numbers. Now here you will start with 2. 2 5s are, 2 8s are and 2 8s are. Again 2 2s are 4, 9 4. 2 1 4 7. 7 21s are, 7 3s are and 3 1s are. So here are your factors, we will note it down. 2 into 2, 3 times 2, then this 3 is one time, 5 is one time, and 7 is one time. You can write in the same sequence also, but this will be easy for you to find the common factors. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 7. Okay. Now you will be finding the common factors. So 3 times 2 is common, then 3 is common, and 1 times 7 is common. So we will multiply that. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Multiply by, these are the common factors, multiply by non-common. Non-common are 5 and 7. So 5 into 7. So let us multiply these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 into 7, multiply by 5 7s are 35. If you multiply 7 into 24, what you will get? 7 4s are 28, 7 2s are 14 plus 2, 16, 168 into 35. So multiply this in rough work. 168 into 35. 3 8s are 24, 18 into 20, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5, 5 8s are 40, 5 6 are 30 plus 4 34, 5 1s are 5 plus 3 8. So your answer is 5880. So these three sums we did. Now the remaining sums you try by yourself, and in the live class we will be clearing your doubts. Now question number 2. Question number 2, common division method. Here you have to find LCM with the help of common division method. Let us do first sum. 100 and 150 together we are going to do. So here one thing is there, you can take the bigger numbers also. As much big number you can take. As you can see here, this is 100 and this is 150. In both the number 0 is there common. 1 0 is there. So directly you can take 10 also. So here 10 10s are 100 and 10 15s are 150. If you don't know this, then you can start it with 2 also. But it will be little bigger one. So we are doing shortcut, that is 10 10s are 100 and 10 15s are 150. Now 5 2s are and 5 3s are. 2 1s are, 3 will be as it is, and again 3 1s are. Okay, so these are the factors you got. This method you can do only in LCM. Bigger numbers directly you can take only in LCM, that also in common division method. Otherwise you have to take prime numbers only here. So your LCM is equal to 10 into 5 into 2 into 3. Make pairs 50 into 6. So your answer is 300. Now question number 6, 189 and 168. Here this is the even number, so we will be starting with 2. 189 will be as it is odd number. So if you will start with 2, you will get this as 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. Again here you are having this even number, so we will continue with 2 only. So 189 will be as it is and 84 will be converted into 42. Again even number, 189 as it is, and this will be 21. Now we will do with 3. This is 3 7s are 21. 189 if you will divide it with 3, you will get 63. Now again you will go with 3. 3 into 21 is equal to 63. 7 as it is. Now again you will go with 3. 3 7s are 21. 7 as it is. Now you will go with 7. 7 1s are 7. ones are. So this all factors you got. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 7. So 3 times 2 and 3 times 3 and 7. If 3 times 2 means 8, now we will make pairs. 3 3s are 9 and 3 7s are 21. 8 9s are what you will get? 8 9s are 72. 72 into 21. So this you have to multiply 72 into 21. You can do it in rough paper also. So 72 into 81. Sorry, 21. So 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14 and 72 to 11 5 1. So your answer is 1512. This is your LCM. Question number 9. 546, 273, 364. We will start with 2. So it is 2 2s are 4, 7 3. This is as it is. This will remain as it is because it is the multiple of, sorry, it is not coming into stable as it is odd number. Now this ones are 8 7. So this 3 numbers you got. Now this is coming in 3 stable. How I can know? This if you will add, what you will get? 2 plus 7, 9 plus 3, 12. So 12 is coming in 3 stable. So this you can divide it with 3. So 3 into 91, 3 into 91. This is not divisible with 3. So this you will keep as it is. Okay. Now this you know it is divisible with 7. So 7 ones are 7 and 7 13s are 7 13s are, and this again as it is. Now if you will see 187, now this 13, see 187 is not coming in 13 stable, it will come in 11 stable. So either you can take with 11. So 11 is 13 as it is. So 11 17s are 187. Now 13 ones are 17 as it is, and 17 ones are. So this all factors you got. Now you will multiply it to get your LCM. 2 into 3 into 7 into 11 into 13 into 17. So if you will multiply this, what you will get? So your answer is 1092. So here also we have done 3 sums. Now other sums you have to try by yourself at your home, and we will solve your doubts in the live class. So question 1 and question 2 of exercise 4.2 you have to try by yourself. With the help of this video we have solved few sums. Other sums we will be solving in live class. Bye bye. Have a nice day.